Supreme Court Property Matters. Namaskar. Today our speaker is Jayprakash Somani, advocate from Supreme Court of India NIP. He published more than 50 books on Supreme Court case laws. So, I am presenting you Jayprakash Somani.
Supreme Court property matters. Yes. So property matters are little bit complicated matters as comparatively other criminal matter or the civil matters. And there are some categories of property matters which matters we are handling in Supreme Court. Many lawyers are handling in Supreme Court, and I have my own books on Supreme Court case laws on Transfer of Property Act, on property matters like that. You can see that books on Amazon and Flipkart by put in search my name Jayprakash Somani books. You will see all my books on Supreme Court case laws. So these categories of matters Supreme Court is handling, and all these matters are coming mostly from the High Court to Supreme Court. Sometimes tribunals, if it is related to tribunal, then from tribunal also matters can come to Supreme Court if it is related to tribunal. But many times 99% matters are coming from High Court to Supreme Court related to property matter. RERA then High Court, High Court then to Supreme Court, Civil Court, Civil Court Junior Division, Senior Division, then High Court, and then Supreme Court. So such type of hierarchy is there. After High Court order, you can contact to any good Supreme Court lawyer. You see his practice, see his attitude, everything, and then you can give case to him, and he will prepare that proper case, file a proper case, proper drafting, proper pleading, proper argument will be there, and then you will get proper justice. Let me explain which type of matter we are handling in Supreme Court. All lawyers, not myself only, all lawyers. There are so many lawyers in Supreme Court. A right of inheritance disputes. Inheritance dispute is there in right of inheritance. Then partition disputes, dispute related to partitions in family, like that. Succession disputes if arises. So such type of matters are there. Land measurement disputes. Then land encroachment and boundary disputes. Right of way disputes. Land ownership disputes. Lease dispute. If you have given some shop on rent, and that particular person is not giving you proper rent, he is not vacating that property also. Such type of lease disputes are also there, either from landlord side, either from a lessee side. These matters are coming to Supreme Court. Planning and development disputes. Sometimes government is encroaching that they are not giving proper remuneration. Such type of matter for planning and development disputes are there in Supreme Court. Construction disputes if arises, that are also coming in property matter. Nuisance and trespass claims are also coming to Supreme Court. Easement and right of way, such type of dispute is easements related, right of way related disputes we are handling in Supreme Court. And most important thing, adverse possession matters. You can find my separate books also on adverse possession. We will prepare one separate video also on adverse possession in future. So all type of matters are related to property, and these matters related to property are handling by Supreme Court very efficiently. All the judges are very learned here, or advocates are very learned here, and only substantial question of laws, constitutional questions, discussions, proper documentation is there, then definitely you will get the justice in your property matter. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.